So here's a great way to get that sizzle in your snare. It's an audio effect called OTT. Now I'm going to start here by playing a snare without OTT on, and then we'll listen to how the OTT can really change the shape and dynamics of the snare so it really fits in the track. Okay, so what we're going to do now is go to audio effects, go to OTT, and then select OTT here. We've already selected it a bit earlier, so we're going to just go ahead and enable it. So the first thing that will happen when you hear OTT is that the amount, as you can see here, is quite high, and it will sound kind of like really crazy. Too much. Let's just reduce it a bit. Let's hear it without OTT. Sounds boxy, doesn't it? With it, sounds snappy. We can obviously increase some of the highs and mid levels, so we get a bit of output there going like that. So what we can do now is add OTT to the main master track, and you hear straight away it's sizzling, kind of like it's on a barbecue steak. So let's just reduce the sizzle so it doesn't sound too crazy. And now let's just switch it off and hear with and without the OTT. Let's add the OTT now, and without, and with. Can you hear the difference? It just really gives it a sizzle, and it's not just the high ends. You can really beef up that low end. We can compress the low end even more if we want. You can play around with the compression settings like this. So what do you guys think? OTT is the secret sauce. It's the master blitzer. It is the sizzler.